In this lecture, we will demonstrate the constant fields. Constant fields are much like static fields. They are common to all the objects of a particular class. So when you want to store the common data, that to a fixed value, then you require to use the constant field. Constant fields must be initialized along with the declaration. They cannot be assigned to another value later, because by default, constant fields are fixed values. Constant fields are accessible with the class name, much like static field. Constant fields will not be stored in any object or even in the class memory. Because at compilation time, each time when you write the constant name, in all those places the actual value of the constant will be replaced. For example, you have declared a constant called x equal to 10. So each time in the program, wherever the constant is accessed, in all those places, the actual value of the constant will be replaced. So each time when you access the constant that is x, its actual value will be replaced, that is 10. So after compilation, the constant is present in the program nowhere. So that is the reason constants are common to all the objects, because its memory is not allocated inside the object. And constant fields are not stored anywhere, because constants are replaced with actual value always. Constants must be initialized with literal values only. That means we cannot initialize the value of a method return value into the constant. Constants cannot be declared inside the method. At that time, they are called local constants rather than constant fields. The common keyword to declare the constant fields or local constants is const. So first write the access modifier of a field, then write the const keyword, then specify the type name. This can be any primitive type or string, and then write the field name, and then initialize the literal value. Constants cannot be reference variables. So in the product class, I am going to declare the constant that is string type. Name of the constant is category name, and I must initialize the literal value in the constant, that is, for example, electronics. So this category name is common for all the products and is a fixed value. Except in this place, at nowhere else we can change the value of a constant. At the time of compilation, in the compiled source code, this constant name will be replaced with the actual value, that is electronics. So by declaring the category name as a constant, you mean that all the products, that means all the product objects, are under the category of electronics. But in case if one product is of one category, other product is of other category, at that time the category name should not be declared as a constant. In that case, the category name will be a normal instance field. So whenever you find out some common and fixed data of all objects of the particular class, then only you will go for constant. But on the other hand, it is common to all objects but not fixed value. You may want to change the value later. In that case, you require to use the static field. But from outside the class, constants are accessible just like how we access the static field, that is, with the class name. So you can access the constant by writing product.category name. Suppose at the end of the program, I am declaring the category of products, that is product.category name, and expected output is electronics. in case if you want to change the value of the constant, we cannot change from here. We must change where it is originally declared. And run the application. So as you can guess, we got the output of electronics. This is how to work with the constant fields.